Currently, our office is litigating a matter involving an allegation of serious sexual misconduct. We recently had a preliminary hearing in that matter. The judge bound our client over for trial, and the district attorney, after the preliminary hearing, filed what's called an information. An information is a legal pleading charging someone with a crime, as well as special allegations in a superior court after a preliminary hearing. After the preliminary hearing, the district attorney added an allegation of binding an individual for sexual purposes, which is an enhancement that could lead to 15 years to life for our client. We filed a 995 motion with the Superior Court to strike that allegation. The court denied our motion without comment. Now, many times lawyers will stop at that point. We did not. We filed an appeal to the appellate court in that jurisdiction here in the Inland Empire. We waited approximately 3 weeks and were discouraged to learn that the appellate court disagreed with our position and summarily denied our writ to review the court's action for failure to grant the 995. Feeling that this issue was extremely critical and important to our client, we continued the appellate process, and the Supreme Court of the state of California recently received our petition for review and is currently under submission by the Supreme Court, and we are hopeful that they'll take up this cause, and if successful, we'll be able to strike the allegation and have our client avoid going to trial instead of facing just 8 years in prison to face 23 years to life. It's a fight that we feel is extremely important, and we will continue to advocate that position for that client as well as any other client. I'm Mike Scafidi, a retired police officer and now a criminal defense attorney with Schaus Law Group. If you or a loved one are in trouble and need help, call me.